Okay, you know how this story starts. In the beginning, there wasn't shit. Literally, nothing but void and darkness. And that's how the darkness liked it. It wasn't until God decreed, turn on the lights, that things got nasty. It started out small. A planet here, a sun there. You know, next thing you know, there were humans and cows and stuff running all over the place. Needless to say, the darkness was pissed. From then till now, the darkness tore its way through the world, inhabiting one human host after another, each thinking that they were its master. But you can't own the darkness. The darkness owns you. Fast forward to one Jackie Estacado. You know his type. No family, no hope, no future. He ended up about what you'd expect, busting heads for the Franchetti crime family. Life as a whole was pretty dark for Jackie. Then came his 21st birthday, and things got a whole lot darker. And then you might think that inheriting superpowers would be pretty cool for Jackie, you know, being in the business of killing people and all. And if not for the demon living inside of him, you'd be right. See, the darkness didn't just make Jackie stronger, it made him a god. But only when the lights were out. Next thing you know, the mob turns on Jackie, marks him for death, just like that. It was the New York City mob versus Jackie. And the darkness. But as dark as things were for Jackie, there was a light in his life. And her name was Jenny. Now these kids, they went way back. I don't think anybody would disagree that they were meant for each other. If anything, that's the real tragedy in all this. See, the mob was still after Jackie. Now, they thought the quickest way to get him would be to take away, you know, his only reason for living. Killing Jenny was just about the dumbest thing the mob could have done. See, because without her, Jackie not only had nothing left to live for, he had nothing left to lose. As for the darkness, Jackie's kept it locked away for years, you know, but it doesn't matter how hard he tries. No one can hold back the night. If he can't control this thing inside him, pretty soon there won't be anything left. Jackie will be nothing but an empty shell. And that's just how the darkness likes it.
Right around the time he died, my father said to me, Jackie, you can't outrun your fate, but you sure as hell gotta try. I didn't really know what he meant back then. See, there was something inside me. Something terrible, waiting to get out. And when it did, it made me watch the only thing I ever cared about. Get her brains blown out right in front of me. Then it gave me the power to make things right. The kind of stuff you only see in your worst nightmares. The killing only made it stronger, harder to control. Eventually, I found a way to bury it. But ever since, it's been trying to get back out. It calls itself the Darkness.
Jackie, it's good to see you. Come on in.
Hiya, Vinny. How's your family?
Which one?
Hey, Jackie, check out the rack on the brunette to your right.
Walked in a London shower, but I get lost finding my way.
No, your other right.
And I can tell you where the Big Dipper is. Where Cinderella's magical slipper is, I will.
That's his left, dipshit.
Hey, Jackie, check it out. They put up a picture of your dad. He was a good man, your father. Good man. Well, look, this ain't no time to be depressed. Come on, boss. They got your usual table ready. The twins are waiting for you.
Terrific.
Hey there. Hey, yo, Paul, you got you them tickets to the game. My treat. All right, take care.
Joey, what's what?
Oh, Mr. Galvani, nice to have you back in town.
This ravioli's too spicy. I can't taste the flavor.
Oh, Billy, how you doing? Not bad.
Hey, waiter. I'll take this to go.
Sure thing, Mr. Swifty.
Chop, chop. I gotta run. Let's move.
Oh, sorry about that, Gaston. Here you go, boss. Bon appetit.
Hi, Jackie. Remember us from the Candy Club? Well, do you? Sure he does.
Trust me, ladies. I wish I did.
Oh, shit! Jackie, get down! Jackie, you stay with me now. Oh, shit, look at his leg.
Benny, what do we do?
You guys take point. I'm gonna pull Jackie out back. Jackie, listen to me. I'm gonna pull you out back, but you gotta take this. Keep these guys off our ass.
Finish! I'm gonna slaughter these pigs! I'm with you!
Come to the dark.
I said it was too spicy. Too spicy.
He's here!
Who the hell are these guys?
Playtime's over!
Motherfucker!
Hold on, Jackie. Here come the stairs.
Richie! Watch your back!
Hold on a sec. Oh, gotta catch my breath. Oh, you gotta give me a second, Jackie. I ain't been to the gym in weeks. Ah, Jesus Christ! Keep them off our backs!
You're dead, ass!
My boss, listen to me. I can see the kitchen from here. We can make a break for it, but you gotta take both pieces so I can lift you up.
All right. Let's go.
Estacado, you piece of shit!
Almost there. Oh, Jesus. I smell gas.
Hurry up, Vinny!
They're in there! That does it. Quick, give me a lighter. Burn in hell, Estacado!
Use my power or die.
Never. Never again, you son of a bitch.
I am your salvation. Stronger than his father. Keep pushing him.
Still breathing, huh, motherfucker? Come on, come over here. I got something for you.
Embrace the darkness, Jackie.
I'm free!
Oh, fuck! What the hell is that?
You see that?
Holy shit, it's the devil!
Jackie? Is that you? Yeah, you got your thing back, huh? Well, just in fucking time.
What the fuck just happened, Benny? Who hit us?
I don't know, boss. I don't know. After the explosion, I saw some guy with a limp.
Where'd that piece of shit go?
Ah, they headed down the alley. The rest of our crew's out front, so you can meet up with them on the street. I'll be right there. I just need to get my wind back. Give him hell, Jackie. The rest of the guys are out on the street, boss. Head down the alley and meet up with them.
I got the press!
I see you!
Oh, I love this song. Come on.
What the hell? Jenny? Hey, wait!
Lies.
Yeah, something happened. I don't know, a big explosion. They probably heard it in Kansas. The whole place smells like gas. I think we opened up a main. It could go up any second. Don't worry. Estaccado's...
I can't do this no more!
It's Estacado! Shit! That hurt! God! It's the fucking devil himself!
It's Estacado! He's still alive!
You motherfuckers are gonna pay!
You fucked my sister! I'm gonna explode you like a baby seed! He got me!
My time's over!
Oh, Jesus! Oh, fuck!
Run! Get away from the light!
You asshole!
You again. Was wondering when you were gonna show up.
I got a staccato. He's over here. You're not so tough now, are you?
Hello, monkey. It's been too long. Give us a hug.
I'll pass, but thanks for the help. What's that smell?
You tell me. I came from your noggin. Or Would you forget that already? Come on then, let's move. Let's fucking go! Look what I found! Move it! Places to go! People to kill! Shoot all the lights out! Ooh, lovely! Check it out, monkey! And you can... For these then, shall we? See if we can make things tic-tac again, eh? Oh, look at you with bollocks! It's locked!
Do me a favor and see if you can open that box up there.
Done and done! Let's call some havoc!
Stop it! I'm gonna
They went that way, down into the subway. Who the fuck are these guys, Jackie?
Why are we standing around?
We'll make sure nobody follows you. Give him hell, Jackie!
Let's kill someone! Lock up your daughters! Can we get someone a car now? Have to find a new way in, eh?
Take whatever you want, as long as I get some answers.
dummy! What the fuck is that? He's here!
Release that fucking...
I can't do this no more! Into the open!
Release that fucking thing! It's a fucking nigga! What is he doing? Thought you were supposed to be top, you fucking fairy! He's dragging me!
I've been waiting.
This isn't random mischief. Darklings hate life.
Jenny!
Dance with me, Jackie.
Those will not die.
Where the hell am I? Johnny? Johnny fucking Powell. What are you doing here? And where the hell are we?
You let stupid stuff get in your head, then it gets all jumbled and weird, and people think you're nuts! Come find me, Jackie.
Hello.
Tony, what happened? Did you find the guys who hit us at the restaurant?
Sometimes I can't tell the difference between a fruit and a vegetable.
Jesus Christ, what is this place? I gotta get out of here.
I like grapes.
are the bringer of death.
What the fuck was that?
Jackie, over here! Jesus Christ, Jackie, we thought you was dead. What happened back there?
I handle things, like I always do. What the hell's going on, Tony?
Hell if I know, boss. Look, we gotta get out of here. You go in your limo, and I'll go ride in the car with Vinny. He busted up a couple of ribs, but he's gonna be fine.
The first time you use the darkness, it scares you. But once you've tasted it, you can't stop. That's all you think about. Like I said, it consumes you. Every second of every day for the last 2 fucking years, I kept myself in check. Gritted my teeth and kept it buried. Oh, now it's back. And I can feel what it's doing to me.
So, I guess setting you up with the twins didn't go so good, huh?
Yeah, no shit. I'm glad you're alright, Vin. Now can you tell me what the fuck just happened?
I don't know. I saw some weird-looking guy had a limp. It was crazy. Like, one minute he's there, the next minute the guy just fucking disappears. I don't know, I must have hit my head or something. Look, anyways, Jimmy says he's got a lead on the crew that hit us.
Good. Now find Jimmy. Tell him to meet me in my office. I'm gonna head upstairs.
Yeah, sure, whatever you need, Jackie.
Thank Christ he got it back, you know?
What do you mean?
You heard the expression, mess with the bull and you get the horns? Well, mess with Jackie and you get those two things ahead.
I saw you again today. In the alley. Down on the tracks. I still see you. Everywhere I go.
You torture yourself with her memory, Jackie.